For 30 years, we pioneered the advance in additive manufacturing. Now, we're reinventing stereolithography. Introducing the SLA 750, the fastest, large-format SLA 3D printer. All the proven advantages of SLA, now more versatile, powerful, and integrated than ever before. Part of a full workflow solution that takes you seamlessly from CAD to cost-effective batch volumes and repeatable large parts. With a new generation of photopolymer materials, delivering long-lasting mechanical performance, environmental stability, and injection-molded-like finish. A large build envelope within a compact footprint, the SLA 750 comes with single or synchronous dual imaging systems, with a simple field upgrade to dual laser that multiplies your productivity. Enabling 24/7 lights-out operations, the system comes with full downstream automation readiness and robot compatibility. To manage your entire workflow, Octane cloud-based software automates tasks seamlessly, connecting all of your equipment into a single factory floor ecosystem. The SLA 750, performance and productivity for the factory of tomorrow.